so for this room tour, I'm gonna keep this beautiful chandelier on. I actually got this from like a local selling app and it was super cheap, believe it or not. It's so gorgeous. It has gems hanging from the inside and it has a mirrored frame and also a mirrored base as well. This is originally from Home Depot though, so I will link it down below if you are interested. So starting with just walking in the room, I have this Malm 3-drawer chest from IKEA. Basically all the furniture in here is from IKEA. And on top of that, I have one main piece, which is a wax melter that I got off of Amazon. Like I said, everything will be linked down below. And this just makes my room smell amazing. For those of you who know me, I'm actually very sensitive to scents, so clean linen is one of the only ones that I really like. I'm super picky and particular with that stuff. And these 3 drawers basically just hold all of like my essential clothes. So like I have all of my bras in here. I have bralettes and then also sports bras go over here, but I have none right now. They're all in the wash. And then down here is obviously my favorite drawer. You guys can see why. And there's all my bling. And then the bottom drawer is just socks, and I also have like little slippers. These are my fuzzy socks and those are my regular ones. Shelf from IKEA, like I said, and I put all of my Michael Kors as well as some like cute decor on here. If you guys can't already tell the theme of this room, it's basically just like white and very modern. I love like mirrored slash like silver accents. Basically like this is gonna be the theme of my house. I'm gonna put in some inspiration pictures. This was from Burlington for $10. Moving up, I have my luxury bag. My boyfriend actually got this for me and I'm not big into bags, so that's like my everyday one that I just take everywhere. This one's for like special occasion like date nights or special events, and then up there is more for like if I don't want to carry around a purse or if I need more than a purse, and that's like my Michael Kors book bag. And then I also have my Michael Kors shoes. Going over to my personal favorite part is my makeup vanity. This makeup collection I have been perfecting over the years. This actually was what started to be my first job when I was 15. That is when this all started. Obviously, it's come a long way and looks a lot different than when it started. I'm so beyond thankful that YouTube was my career to the point where it was able to give me such a jump start to where I am now. And now I have 2 jobs and pay for everything that is in this room on my own. So I'm going to be going into each drawer, showing you how I have it organized and everything. So on each side of my makeup vanity are Alex 9 drawers from IKEA, and I have the left side for my makeup and the right side is more so skincare and hair. I just recently went through when I cleaned this room and decluttered all of my expired makeup, all stuff that I was just holding on to for, I don't even know what, just memory's sake, I guess. Kind of have all of my foundations right here. I have my concealers back here, and then my primers are here on the side. I don't really do my face makeup that much, so I don't really go in this drawer too often. The second drawer is like a remainder drawer of all of my facial products. I didn't really have enough blushes and contours and highlights to make a separate drawer for that, so I have all of my loose powders, as well as here is all of my pressed powders, and then back here I have my bronzers, highlighters, and blushes. My beauty blenders as well as my bronzers and contours here. Third drawer is all of my lip products and setting sprays. Here I have like all of my lip care. I have lip scrubs, lip exfoliators, lip masks, and stuff like that. Here is all of my glosses, and then back here is all of my like either lip liners or matte lip colors. Fourth drawer is all of my brushes. I used to have my brushes out on display, and I'm gonna be honest, it really is more practical to have your brushes on display, but I don't really do my makeup as much anymore, especially with my job. I really go just mascara or really natural most of the days, so I find that having these away in the drawer, since this gold really doesn't match being out anyway, I'd rather have a simplistic look and only go in here once in a while. Fifth drawer is the main drawer that I go into. My mascaras are in here. All the organizers in the drawers, by the way, are either from Marshalls or Burlington. Basically all of my eye products in here. I have some glitter liners, loose glitters, liquid liners. I have some liquid eyeshadows back here, tape, and then on the side here is all of my brow products. Going into the first big drawer, I have all of my lashes. I love this drawer. These are my go-to lashes, you guys. Believe it or not, these are from the dollar store, and I just have grown a love for them. Like, I have such good lashes back here. I don't know, there's just something about these. The packaging is so cute. They have so many different styles, from like bold to natural. This video is not sponsored in any way, but I just really love the quality of them. Most like fake lashes that are bad quality look super shiny and you can kind of tell that they're, you know, fake. But these just like look so good. They have lash extensions. So I collected a bunch of these in a bunch of different styles. And then here I have stuff to apply the lashes. So I have some glue and then tweezers, scissors, eyelash curlers, stuff like that. And then back here are just some contacts that I really only ever wear for like either a makeup tutorial or video. This drawer is all of my eyeshadow palettes and eye primers. I've really decluttered this drawer a lot, you guys. Like I used to have so many eyeshadow palettes, and now I have ones that I just stick by and love. This drawer is like my filming slash like YouTube drawer. It has all of my tripods, accessories, memory cards. Like this last drawer is kind of like a junk drawer, but not really, because nothing in here is junk. It's just all stuff that I don't really have a place for. In here I have my jewelry drawer. These organizers are from Amazon. There's 3 in here and they literally fit perfect side to side with literally no wiggle room. Like I'm not even joking. It looks like it was meant for this length drawer. This organizer over here has all of my necklaces. These are like pinky rings, these are thumb rings, and then these are my more expensive rings, like my Michael Kors one, Disney, and then my 2 promise rings. And then I have my bracelets standing up there. This middle organizer has all of my earrings in it. I don't have a bunch of earrings, but I really am trying to expand my collection. The third tray just has all of my random stuff. These dividers are actually customizable, so you're able to adjust it to what you want to put in here. I just have my mirrored glasses, some rhinestone belts, rhinestone jewelry, and then back there I have like ear care, so I have stuff for my piercings, I have some boxes, tea tree oil, and then on top I have this rhinestone dispenser, which you guys, it literally sparkles so much because of this chandelier. This was $15 from Marshalls, and I actually have my facial moisturizer in here. And then I have this Glow Tech mirror. This was from Sam's Club for $50. And then this switch right here controls these Hollywood lights that my dad set up for me. Back when I like set up this makeup collection, he actually hardwired these, which don't ask me how he did it. Like I have no idea. And each were sold separately. They were $50 each, so $100 for both. And then this long mirror is also from IKEA. Like I said in the beginning of this video, literally all the furniture is from IKEA. So if I forget to mention, you know where. And then moving over here, I have all of my nail products in the first drawer. I have my liquid masks in the second. Third drawer is all of like my either jelly masks, or I have lip masks, eye masks. Fourth drawer is all of my tools. I don't really know what this next drawer is. It kind of has like a bunch, like my makeup remover. I have my pimple stuff in here, patches, tools. And then the first big drawer has serums, toners, as well as my facial steamer and facial mists. And then the second big drawer starts my hair care. So I have all of my clips in here. These clips are actually amazing. It came in like a huge pack on Amazon for like $6, and they're not cheapy at all. Like they actually hold your hair up and they are not easy to break. So they're amazing. Comes with a bunch of different colors. All of my bobby pins and hair clips, hair ties, and elastics. This is all of my hair products. I don't bother organizing in here, like making it look all nice and neat, because every time I do, it just looks like this. And honestly, it's kind of the most practical this way, believe it or not, because all the products that I use a lot just accumulate to the top. And then this is all of my hair tools. I have been loving this Revlon blowout brush so much. I use it after the shower and it gives my hair a straightened look so it's not frizzy. This bench is from Burlington, and inside I have all of my bathing suits and then also my summer shoes, like flip-flops. I'm thinking of getting new like paintings or decor for up there. I don't really know how I like that setup. I don't know, I might change it, I might not. And then coming over, these mirror doors are actually my closet. These mirror doors are as well off of Amazon. Literally everything's either Amazon, Marshalls, or IKEA. And in here I have all of my puffer jackets and fur coats since it is currently winter. This switch controls these cute fairy lights that I strung up in here. And I did keep those plastic organizers in my closet just because they are out of the way, and my closet is like so weirdly shaped that like when you walk in, there's like this awkward space to the left. I just decided to keep these here for more clothing storage, and here I just have my gym and work clothes. And then coming over to the last dresser, I have my skincare mini fridge, which I actually emptied because I didn't know if I was going to use this or not, but since I had extra space from that shelf sucking up all my decor, I decided to just leave it out because it is white and silver, it matches, and I think it just fills up the space. So I'm probably going to end up filling this. Over here I have this white rhinestone tray that matches that tissue box over there, both from Marshall's. This was $13, that was $15. I can't remember if this was from Marshall's or Burlington though. There's no tag. I have these glass diamond decor pieces that are from Marshall's. And then I have my TV from when this used to be my bedroom. I was debating on taking this down, but I feel like the wall would just be way too empty, and sometimes when I'm doing my makeup or filming, I like to either listen to music or watch YouTube. And it's on a type of bracket where it can literally come out and like fully tilt to face the makeup vanity, so it kind of works out. I just kept it there. This is the matching mount set for this. And in here, I just have my jean drawer, my leggings and yoga pants, and then my sweatpants. Basically, like my pants are over here. I had this extra drawer that I just put like my winter accessories in. Obviously, when it's summer, I'll move my summer accessories in there. And then I have my sweaters, and down here are my jean jackets and like quarter zips and other winter stuff. I also bought a mirrored switch plate just because it looks so nice and it just adds that like extra touch. And yeah, that was basically it for this glam room tour. Love how it turned out. I think everything looks amazing and exactly how I was picturing it. I can't wait to literally right after this video decorate for Christmas, so stay tuned for that video.